Good afternoon and welcome to another Weatherman Weekly Weather Report. Sorry that this one is late and it's not going to be as wonderful as normal because for some reason my sound clip is not wanting to work, even though I've tried to figure out what's up with it. So I guess I'm going to have to re-record it and figure out what's going on with that. And my wind map also is not wanting to work today, so it's just one of those days. Welcome to October. So one thing that is working, hopefully, it worked a little bit ago, is I did fly my drone up again to get a little bit more aerial view to show what the current condition does look like from a bird's view. So if you're up in the sky as a bird above my house, see there's my house right there, nice solar panels and stuff. You see it's pretty much in all directions. It's pretty clear. There's a few clouds maybe over here, but for the most part, it's pretty clear. It is, if you can't tell how bumpy it is up on the drone footage, it is pretty windy. Just hovering off the ground before I took off, it was kind of shifting a lot, so it's pretty bumpy right now. So there's a lot of wind up in the air. And what I would say about the wind map is that we probably have a lot of northerly winds that are coming, and that's why we've been getting cooler air temperatures and whatnot, and having the fluctuations that we've been having. Anyway, so let's kind of go and look and see what we got. Right now, this again is just a regular weather cam looking out the back towards the north. As you see, again, it is still just pretty bright and sunny outside right now. It's pretty much totally clear, and now it doesn't look like it's too windy down below. But if you look over here at my little wind vane, you will see that it is actually windy. It's just, I guess, not bad enough that the trees are going to be going crazy for some reason, but it's windy. So close that out, go over here. All right, so let's look a little bit about the past 2 weeks, since I've missed 2 weeks of doing this. It's just been pretty busy. If you look back 2 weeks ago, well, let's see, this is last week. Let's go back one more week. If you look back 2 weeks ago, we kind of had our highs jumping around a little bit with our temperature. We did have a high of 87 one day, and we had a high of 82.4 one day. So it's just kind of jumping around a little bit. The reason I wanted to go back to this was kind of look and see. You see how our winds shifted throughout the week. We also didn't have very much precipitation this week, but if you go to the next week, which actually this is 2 weeks ago, you'll see that around this day, so this is Monday, we had our temperatures not too bad, but boom, going into Tuesday, we had that nice cold front came through. Wonderful temperatures, loved it, got to wear a coat, it was awesome. And we stayed not too bad all the way until Thursday, and it got up to about 85, but then going into the weekend, we started getting a little bit of 90s again, and then going on to Sunday, we actually got that high up there of like almost 100. So bumpy ride that week, but we also got our winds, you can see, kind of stayed fairly normal, but as temperature increased, we did get more winds. But you see, when we had that cold front come in, we did get some rain that came in. Not a whole lot, but you can see, though, that there was rain, precipitation that came in. There was 2 peaked storms right here, and then it just kind of drizzled for a while. Oh, there's the clock again. Yay. You can see that the pressure kind of followed trend. It dropped, and then it kept dropping, though, as we increased on our temperatures and whatnot. And then our solar radiation, same deal. All right, so going to last week's. All right, so last week our temperatures had that one nice day Monday. Wasn't too bad on Tuesday. We got a little bit warm on Wednesday, and then on Thursday we started a little bit of a trend. Right now we're looking at going up a little bit, and we're going to have a little bit of a trend going up. But next week is going to be looking pretty nice at our, tired, mid to upper 80s. So hopefully no more 90 days, at least next week. And it would be nice if it stayed that way for the rest of the year, because I would prefer to be in the 60s and 70s. That's just me. I like that kind of weather. Plus, we should expect some more precipitation. We didn't have any of this last week, but we should expect to see some coming in. So that's just basically what's going on with the last 2 weeks since I wasn't here. So let's look ahead at our forecast. Looking for the rest of the day, you see that we're really gonna just kind of about an hour from now is projected to be the highest we have today of 86. So it's been a really nice day to go out there for Saturday to do stuff. It's been a nice day to go out and fly drones and whatnot, but I got other stuff I have to take care of, so I wasn't able to go enjoy as much as I did. But it's going to be nice going into the night. It's going to be pretty cool. Then starting off the morning, it's going to be pretty cool, and it's not going to be that bad tomorrow. We only got like a high of 80, so it'll be another nice day. And then going into the week, we have like on Tuesday, it's projected about a high of close to 89. But as you see, we're not peaking above 90, so hopefully this trend does stay constant and that this data does actually work out, because it would be nice to be looking into going to October with those oct digits, right? I know. October is supposed to be the 8th month, but it's 10th, so give me that. All right, so right now 87 is what it shows right now for our outdoor. Even though this says that we're going to be peaking at about 4, again, fluctuates. Our wind is coming kind of right now, not gusting too bad, but you see earlier that there was a peak of 12, so it does have some gusts. It's just kind of here and there. Our pressure is down a little bit from yesterday, so it's 1003.5. We are up a little bit in humidity, but I'm not really projecting to see any rain this week. It's pretty much going to be sunny all week, but hopefully sunny and not too hot. Our UV right now is 5. We will again, even though we're having primarily sunny days, our UV is going to be down because we are getting. Oh my gosh, man, I'm really tired. We're getting into the tail end of the year, so we're going to have more and more days of less intensity for our sunlight and whatnot. Our peak wavelength you see right here, like a couple weeks ago, it was in the 900s to 1000s, and now our peak was only 752. So our wavelengths are getting less and less for our intensities and stuff. So, all right, let's see. No rain. Our sun seems to be coming up later. Our sunrise was 7:35. It was, I can attest to that, because 7 o'clock I got up and it was still dark. So our sun is coming up later and later in the morning, and it's going to be setting earlier and early. But, only a few more weeks, and we're going to be doing our time change, so that'll alter as well. Whoopee, right? So we get that extra hour. Anyway, so I know this is not too awesomely exciting this time. Hopefully it'll be better next time when I get some of this stuff up and working again. I apologize for the 2 weeks break, but that's life kind of thing. All right, so take care, be safe, see you later.